Okay. Write the number that come between the given numbers. Between numbers लिखने. Okay. Okay. 6, 8. This side.
1.
6 after.
1.
6 after.
2.
6 after. Beta.
7.
7. The right 7. 6, 7, 8. And 4 after.
9.
4 after.
9.
No. 4 after.
9.
No. You telling wrong. You are telling wrong.
4. 9.
4 after.
10.
4 after. 5.
5.
Write 5. Write down 5.
Aashi long lady.
Yeah. 4 after.
Mama, Aashi
5.
long lady.
4, 5 and 6.
Long lady.
No, right reading. 5. This side 7 and 9. Between number 7.
9.
No, 7, 9. Between number. 7 after.
9.
7 after.
8.
8. Is this side, right? 8. 7, 8 and 9. Complete number. 8 after. 8, 10. And 8 after. 8 after. 8 after. 8 after.
9.
9. Yeah, right 9. 8, 9 and 10. Okay.
10.
1 after.
2.
2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That is a between number. 2 and 4. Between number. 2 after. 2 after.
1.
No. 2 after.
1.
No. 2 after.
1.
You saying wrong. 2
1.
after.
1.
2 after.
3.
3. Yes. Right. 3.
Mm.
2, 3 and 4. Okay. 5 after.
6.
6. Yeah. 5, 6 and 7. 3 after.
9.
No. 3 after.
9.
No. You saying wrong. 3 after.
4.
4. Yeah. Right 4. 3, 4 and 5. This is a complete number. 5 after.
6.
6. 5, 6 and 7. 8 after.
9.
9. Complete between number. 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. That is a complete between number. Okay. How many scooter? Look at the object in the picture carefully and answer the question. How many scooters? Count scooter. Where is scooter? You find scooter where?
Yes.
1. And
No, auto.
number of scooter. Okay, auto. Okay, 1. 1 scooter. You find it 1. 1. Write down 1.
1.
1. How numbers of horse? Number of horse? 1. Yes.
1.
And
2.
this 2 and 2 horse. Write 2. Okay. Numbers of pencil. Number of pencil. Count.
1, 2.
No. This side. This pictures. 1,
2.
2,
3.
3. Yes. Numbers of monkey. How many monkey?
1 monkey.
1 monkey and
2 monkey.
2 monkey and
3 monkeys.
4
4
monkey.
monkey.
Yeah. Right 4. Number of slate. How many slates?
1, 2, 3, 4,
4 and
5.
5. Yeah. 5. 5. Good. Yes. And number of apple. How many apples? Count it. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Yeah. Number of apple. 6. Number of cats. How many cats? Count.
1, 2,
This side.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Hmm.
5,
Hmm.
6.
6. And
7.
7. Yeah. 7. Okay. Numbers of dog. How many dogs? Count.
1,
This side, this side.
1,
Hmm.
2,
2. Yes. Hmm.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
7,
Yes.
8,
8. 8. Okay. Numbers of clock. Numbers of clock. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9,
8
8,
and
9, 10, 11,
no. Again count.
2, 3,
Again 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
6, 7, 8, 9,
10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
9, 10. 10. Numbers of boys. Numbers of boy. Count it. This side. 1. This.
2,
2. This.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
6,
No. Line wise. 1,
2,
2,
3,
2 and 3.
4,
Yes.
5,
5,
This is
6,
pencil.
7. Count. 8,
9,
10.
10.
10. Number of boys 10. Count. Write down. Aashi 10. Aashi write 10. 10. Numbers of boy 10.
10.
Good job, Aashi. Well done. Okay. Aashi, match. Match the shape with their names. Triangle. Where triangle?
Yes.
Yes. Shape match. Okay. Where is square? This side. Where is square? Yeah. This is square. Yeah. And where is a circle? Yeah, circle. Match. And where is a rectangle? Where? Good, Aashi. Very good. Okay. Wait. Write the number from 2 to 8. 2 after?
8.
2 after?
9.
2 after number? Yeah, 3. Write 3. Yes. And 3 after?
4.
Yes. 4 after?
5.
Yes. 5 after?
6.
Yes. 6 after?
7.
Yes. 7 after? 8. Okay, done. Okay, 2 to 8 number. And write the number from 4 to 10. 4 after?
10.
4 after?
9.
No, 4 after? 5. Yeah, write 5. Write down 5.
On the my
Complete. Okay. Complete your number. 4 after? 5. Yes. 5 after? 5 after? This pencil use. 5. 5 after? 6. 6 after?
7.
7. 7 after?
8.
Yes. And next number?
10.
9. 8 after?
9.
9. 9 after?
10.
10. 10. Yeah. This. Okay, done. 4 to 10 numbers. Okay. Write the number from 1 to 9.
10.
Yeah. 1 after?
2.
Yeah, write 2. 1 to 9 number, write down. 1, 2, yes, 3, next, 4, 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, no. 1 to 9 number.
2.
Okay. 8, 9. You write 8 already.
9.
Yeah. 1 to 9. Okay. 9.
9.
Yeah. Complete. Done. 1 to 9 number. And fill in the blanks. Okay. Box. 5. 5 after?
6.
6. Write 6. 6 and?
7.
Yes. Next number 8. 8 after?
9.
Yes. 9. And?
10.
10. Yes. And 5 before?
8.
No, 5 before.
4.
4, yeah. Write down 4. And 5 after?
6.
Yes. 6. 6 after?
7.
Yeah. 8. 8 after?
8.
No, 8 after.
9.
9, yeah, complete. Okay, done. 2 after?
3.
Yes. 3 number. 3 after?
4.
Yes, complete your counting.
5.
Yes, 5 this side, this box. 5. No, Asi. Write 5.
Aashi loser.
No, Asi winner. 5, write 5. Yes. Next number?
7.
No, 5 after?
7.
No, 5 after?
6.
6, yes. 6,
Daddy, 9, 12,
6. Yes. Next number? 7. And 1 after?
2.
2. Write 2. Okay. 2 after?
3.
This side, Asi.
3.
3. Yes. 3 after?
4.
Yes. And 5 after?
6.
6. Yes. And 4 after?
7.
No. 4 after?
8.
4 after?
9.
4 after?
8.
No. 4 after?
9. 9.
Right answer. 4 after? Please, right answer.
Right
answer, please, Aashi.
6.
4 after?
6.
No, wrong. 4 after?
9. 5.
5. Yes. Right 5.
5.
Right 5. 5.
7.
6 after 7. Yes. Yes.
8.
Yes.
9.
Yes. Done. Good job, Asi. Okay, Asi. Count the object and encircle the correct number. Okay. Like that. 4. 4 is encircle. Okay. 4 objects. So encircle 4. Okay. Penguin. How many penguin? Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. 7. Circle 7. Where is 7? Yes. Good. And how many flowers?
3 flowers.
3 flower. Yeah. Circle 3. Yes. How many baby?
4 babies.
No. Count it.
5 babies.
Count. First count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. 9. 9. Where 9?
This.
Yeah. Circle. Okay. How many card? How many card?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. 8 number. Find it. Okay. Done. Okay. How many birds?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Find it 5. Okay. Done, Asi. Well done, Asi.
Bye-bye.